Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial and also reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics Sorta Sweet collection. This came out like 2 weeks ago, I think. And yeah, so we're going to be trying this out today. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'll start with the eyes because that's where I'll start with this look. I already have all of my face makeup done except for my eyes and my lips. So this is how the packaging looks on the eyeshadow palette. Sorta Sweet palette. It's all black and gold and it's very nice and sleek. All black except for the little silver part here. Then the inside, I have a nice mirror. These are the colors, which are super, super pretty. I'm going to do swatches of all of these and the lip trio thing that she came out with too. So I'm going to start out with the shade Buttermilk and apply that all over my lids. That's just this shade right here. Next I'm going into the shade Rosé and I'm just going to apply that to my crease. Next I'm going into the shade Berry Bite, which is this light purple color over here, and I'm applying that to my crease. And then I'm going into the shade Cocoa, which is this color down here in the middle, and I'm applying that to the outer corner of my crease and then lightly blending it in. And now going into the shade Spice Plum, I'm using a blending brush and applying that lightly to my crease, especially towards the outer corner, not so much on the inside. And now I'm going into the shade Raspberry Sugar, which is this really, really pretty color over here, which is probably my favorite one in this whole palette. And I'm going to use my finger and instead of a brush, because I want it to be more pigmented, and I'm going to apply that to this, like all over my lids. Back into the light purple color and apply that to the crease to kind of get any of the glitter out of my crease that came from that shimmery shade. And then I'm using this color in the middle here in the shade Sweet, and I'm applying that again with my finger and applying it to the center of my lids. For the inner corners and brow bone, I'm using the shade Glazed, which is up here on a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm applying that to my inner corners and my brow bone. And now for liner, I'm not going to do like liquid liner or anything. I'm just going to use the shade Spice Plum on an angled brush, and you create my liner with that. And I'm applying that same shade to my lower lash line. To finish off this eye look, I'm going to apply some lashes. Next is lips, and so this is the Kylie Cosmetics Sorta Sweet Lip Trio, and the packaging has all these little candy wrappers all over it. It's super cute. There is a velvet liquid lipstick, a gloss, and a matte liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipstick. So this is the shade Malibu. So this is the shade Malibu. I will actually try all of these shades for you guys so that you can see how they all look on. Next I'm using the glitter lipstick, the glitter gloss, and it's in the shade Glitz. Super pretty in the bottle, like, look at that. So this gloss is crazy. So sparkly. It's really pretty, but I would never wear it by itself. I would wear it over something else because it's so metallic-y on me. Still a really gorgeous lip gloss. That glitter is not gonna come off. So the Velvet Liquid Lipstick is in the shade Boy Bye. I feel like I've tried this shade before. Are these colors in her winter collection? Yes, Boy Bye was in her winter collection. I knew I heard that name before. This is the finished look using the Kylie Cosmetics Sorta Sweet collection. Now that the tutorial part is over, let's do some swatches. First, I'm going to start out using the eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to start here, go across, and then end here. And I'm just going to do them on my arm in that order. So I'm just going to stand up so that you guys can actually see my arm. So this is where I said I was starting the shades from the palette. I will also have a picture of all of these colors on my Instagram, so you guys can go check that out if you want a closer look at all the colors. So yeah, so overall this palette was really nice. This was probably one of the, like, Kylie has definitely improved her formula. Like, they've gotten much creamier, more pigmented. I don't know, they're just, like, you can feel the difference, like, from some of her first palettes to this one. As far as prices go, I will have the price of these two products somewhere on this screen here, and also I will link them down below in the description for you guys. Overall, this palette, definitely like it. I like the shades. I like how they're neutral, and then the shimmery shades are so nice. For the lip products, I'm just gonna, I know I did them already on my lips, but I'll put them on the back of my hand for you guys because the lip colors don't always look the same on people's lips. Like, they look different sometimes. So I will just swatch them for you guys. So I'm going to start out with the shade Malibu. Even her matte liquid lipstick formula, I feel like has gotten a lot creamier. Oh, it just like is nicer. I don't know. So this is the shade Malibu. It's kind of a nude and neutral color. And then now I'm going to use the shade Glitz, which was the really shimmery lip gloss. Almost looks like rose gold on the back of my hand. I love the formula of her lip glosses because they're not really sticky. They're just so pigmented that you really only need a little bit. Otherwise, unless you want your lips to be full on glitter. And then I'm going to use the shade Boy Bye, which is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and the one that I'm wearing, which is more of a purpley color. And it looks like this. It's this one right here on the end. If you guys got anything from this collection or you plan on getting anything, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn my post notifications on so you're notified when I upload every single new video. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with these two Kylie Cosmetics products. I will link them below. And I also made a vlog channel, so you guys should definitely go check that out. And please subscribe and let me know what you guys think, or if you have any other video ideas that you would like to see from me, either on this channel or the vlog channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!